Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to wrap text in Airtable. All right. As we all know, we don't have wrapping option in Airtable, but there is a workaround. All right. So first up, let's go ahead and go to our workspace. For example, this one. I'm going to make sure that I am under grid view. All right. So you can see it. Now in here, what do we do? As you can see, we don't have any, again, wrap option. And the workaround for this, for example, you have a project title, or even the description is pretty long. All right, what you can do is just go ahead and go to the line right here under the tab. All right, these lines, as you can see, when it's highlighted to blue, you can now go ahead and click and hold on the left button of your mouse. Click and hold, then move it either left or right. All right, as you can see here. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and click on a tab and go ahead and select this row height option. Click on it and you can use medium, tall, or extra tall. All right. Again, tall right here, medium, and short. And other than that, there's no other option. That's basically how you do it. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.